In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI. Open Grammarly in your browser to get started. When the app loads, you'll land on your workspace. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. This is where you'll find Docs, which is the hub for creating, organizing, and editing your writing within Grammarly. It's the easiest place to draft something new or bring in existing text you want to refine. Head into Docs. Inside, you'll see options to start fresh or work with content you already have. For a clean slate, choose New Doc. This opens a blank editor in the main area with tools and suggestions that will appear as you write. If you prefer to import content, there's also an upload option. That's helpful when you already have a draft elsewhere. For this walkthrough, we'll start with a new document so you can see the full flow. At the top of the editor, click the title field and add a clear descriptive name. A good title makes it easy to find your work later and helps you keep multiple drafts organized as your project grows. Now move into the body of the document and start typing. You can paste text you've written elsewhere or write from scratch. As you go, Grammarly will surface real-time suggestions for grammar, punctuation, clarity, and tone. Think of these as helpful nudges rather than strict rules. Review each one and decide what fits your voice and audience. When you're ready to leverage AI for deeper help, look to the right side of the screen for AI chat. Open it to bring up a conversational panel tailored to your current document. This is where you can ask questions, get rewrites, brainstorm, or clarify ideas without leaving your draft. Inside the panel, click Ask AI to activate the prompt box. Type exactly what you need, like tighten this paragraph for brevity, suggest a stronger introduction, or summarize the key points in a friendly tone. The more specific you are, the better the results. If you want the AI to focus on a particular section, highlight that text before you ask. When your prompt is ready, press enter or click submit. Grammarly AI will generate a response directly in the chat. Read through the suggestions, compare them with your goals, and incorporate what works best into your document. That's the core workflow. Open Grammarly, go to Docs, start a new doc, add your content, and use AI chat with clear prompts to elevate your writing. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with confidence.